Hello! A quick little disclaimer before we start the video. The footage you will see is from a little while ago, so that is why I do look a bit different than how I currently look. But thank you so much to Adobe for sponsoring this video, and I hope you enjoy! Hello y'all! In this video, I might or might not act on certain impulses regarding my appearance. Okay, that sounds like I'm gonna do a lot of wild things and just change everything about my appearance, but it's nothing like that. This is some stuff pertaining to tattoos and piercings. You see, I just turned 18 and I've been really just wanting to do some things regarding piercings and tattoos for a very long time. Personally, I think people with piercings and tats are just so attractive. Like, do I want to date them or do I want to be them? Honestly, both, but today we will only be choosing one of those options. I have been really into facial piercings for like the past year, and I really just think that eyebrow piercings are really cool, as well as like septums. But I also do want some more ear piercings. I really want an industrial. I think those look so cool. I think I definitely want more ear piercings on my right ear, because currently my left ear already has a couple of piercings, and I just think my right ear looks a little too plain. As you can see, I have a lot of ideas pertaining to what piercings I want, but I gotta be real with y'all here. I don't think it would be too good of an idea for me to go out and get like 10 piercings at once. So that is why I will be using Photoshop Express to test out the waters and just visualize what I look like with those piercings before I actually go out and get them done. Alright, so I just opened up Photoshop Express and I'm using the mix function because it allows you to add on different layers. Let's see, first I think I'm gonna try to edit on the piercings. I got this septum one. Oh my gosh, I thought this was a transparent PNG, but it is not. One of my biggest pet peeves is when I look up insert image transparent PNG or just like insert image PNG and the actual picture, it looks transparent, but it's not. No worries, because Photoshop Express has a really easy cutout tool to use, and voila, look at that. So now, let's see, I'm gonna toggle my old picture back on. Now I'm just zooming in so I can look at it more precisely. I'm using the remove function and I'm using the brush tool in order to erase the parts I don't need. Now I think I want to attempt to do an eyebrow piercing. I'm gonna go back in to the cutout function just so that I can like look at it close up again. Maybe make it a little bigger. Okay, I'm looking at the photo already and I'm not done with adding in all of the changes, but I really want an eyebrow piercing. Oh. And now it's time to add in some snake bites. Honestly, I really like the final result. Here is the final result. I think I'm gonna need some time to like ponder which one of these I want to actually get done. Alright y'all, I've had some time to think about what piercing or piercings I want to get, and I think that although facial piercings are really cool, and I did kind of go ham back there with the facial piercings, ultimately I have decided that I will be getting more ear piercings just because I do not want my mom to kill me, and you know, I still live with my parents, so I think that would be the wisest choice. But anyways, my appointment is this week and I will take y'all along once I actually do get it done, and I'll show y'all what I decide to do. It's piercing time, baby! I just got my ear pierced and I got the industrial. It's a little red right now, but that was very quick. And honestly, it's not as painful as I thought it would be. Oh my gosh. My ear is more red than my hair. Alright y'all, so it's been a little bit since I got the piercing done, and here is what it looks like now. It's less red and I guess swollen, which I'm very happy about. But now I'm gonna go take some photos that show off my newest edition, and we're gonna go edit them again using Photoshop Express just to add some more spice to them. Let's get editing. My idea is that there's like a bunch of knees in the background, but they're like blended into the wall. First, I'm using the heel tool to remove the doorknob. I tried using basic at first, but eventually I switched over to the advanced option. Then I wanted to add more pictures of me to the background, and I chose this one and used the cutout tool, and I also flipped it horizontally so that there's just more variation in my poses. And now for the blend option, I kind of wanted to have a ghost-like effect, so I chose soft light. And next I used Smart Cut to speed up the process of cleaning up the photo, and I also went in to clean up some details. I think the Smart Cut feature definitely made the entire editing process a whole lot easier, since I was able to quickly select which parts I wanted to keep and which parts I didn't. And I repeated the same process for the rest of the photos I wanted to add. I think we're gonna definitely need to add in some stickers. I think I like this red one more for some reason, because I think it like goes along with my hair. Yeah, I think this is the end of the editing process for this picture. And here's the final edit. Let me know what you think in the comments. What's your dream piercing? I'm so glad I can make a mood board and see what the piercings look like in Photoshop Express before I got anything done. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!